Questions about Flipgrid. Let's just go over the basics here. So you want to go to Educator, log in. I'll ask you about what account you want to use. You want to use Google. So I don't want to show any of these right now because it has actual student faces and I don't post on YouTube. So just create a new grid. You want to name it whatever you want. I usually use a class for a grid because you can use numerous topics within that class. And if you think your topic's going to get too much, you can, honors chem semester 1, whatever. So you want to make sure that they use your school email, and then go to next. And you want to make sure that the only email that can log into this Flipgrid is the school email. Okay, so if you put @gmail.com, that means anybody can log in with that domain, but you just want to keep the school one, right? Let's go to next. Okay. Now you have this particular grid login for your students. Copy this, okay, and then go to Schoology, and whatever class you like to use it for, you create it for biology, whatever, what example you want, and then you just go to Add Materials, paste that link in that nice little section right there, and then make your title. Okay. Now the code is after the slash here. Okay. So if they're like, "Hey, man, what's the code?" The code is usually your last name and then 4 digits thereafter for each grid. Okay. And that should get them there. Now here's my pilot. Okay. And now they've already made one for you called Say Hello in Flipgrid. It's already made, but if you want to make your own topic that's not the one you want, just go to Add New Topic. Okay, and now here's the cool thing. Here's what you can do. Say, get familiar with Flipgrid professionally. Right? Pro. Let's do profesh. There we go. Okay. You can change the amount of time that is available for each recording. Obviously, I'm not going to talk for a minute and 30 seconds. You should just do a minute. If you want to make it more like a discussion, you can have it up 10 minutes, 5 minutes. But yeah, so here is a question you can add. You can type it. You don't have to record yourself. You can insert a link, right? So if I want to do something like, I don't know, Redux. I've just been talking about that lately. I can attach a lovely Khan Academy video about redox reactions inside my Flipgrid, and they can watch that example, right there. Say Khan Academy redox, the most exciting video ever. Insert that. Okay, you can also put it in the focus too. So if they don't get the point, I can't find that one. So let's do Tyler DeWitt, one of my favorite guys. Direct link from YouTube. Copy. And then paste that puppy right there. And now you got 2 different examples of what you're discussing in this particular category or topic, right? So they can click on this link and Khan Academy or whatever, and here are directions for your grid, or I'm sorry, your topic. 1, please discuss examples of redox, etc., etc. Okay, here's the key here. Now you've set up the basic of how to make your topic, okay? Create topic. It's ready. Sweet. Now, you want to go to Edit Topic. Okay. Down here, you will see Video Moderation. You want to click Yes on this because every time a kid posts a video, you can either hide it or activate it. You don't want them to just willy-nilly make videos because they might take it inappropriately, right? So you want to be able to see the video before they post anything. And make a due date down here too if you'd like to. For example purposes, I can make this scheduled in a certain date and then never stops, or I can schedule it today. It's always active, and then I can make a due date. I can freeze it 21st. They can no longer do that. If you want to do student replies, that's up to you. You still get to see these replies before the students see them. So that any video that's ever posted on Flipgrid, once this is clicked, you see them all before the students can. Okay? And then video editing is up to you, blah, 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 update topic. Okay? Now, you can record a response, right? This is where you come in and record your own response. I'm in my garage, sorry, it's all black and white. So now here you can record. So I'm going to say, hi, just seeing if you can get familiar with Flipgrid. Here are all the cool options. I can even type stuff in. Let's see. Let's go to, add a custom sticker. That's pretty cool too. But there's all these options, so please get familiar with Flipgrid. Hi. Okay. Go to next.
Hi.
And you can take a selfie. Go to next. And now it is ready for students to view. Okay. Now they can respond to your video, or they can respond to the topic. It's your call. Now, if you want them just to respond to your video, then you want to click off student-to-student responses, right? So it's complete. Now that video is there. Okay, and it says how many views I have, 0, etc., etc. All right. Now my actions here are also to edit my own video if I like. I can hide my own response if I like. And even if you don't click on so you go to my activity, it's going to show you what's hidden, what's active. Even if you did not click on video moderation, you can still go to hide response if it's not working. You can move the response. Okay, you can also duplicate the response to other topics, right? You can also duplicate this topic into a different grid as well, okay? You can also export the data if you'd like to. But yeah, there are many options on this. It's pretty cool. I'm not going to show you examples from students, obviously, because it shows their faces, but I don't care about mine. Anyway, hopefully that helps you all. Again, there's another option down here for English language learning, or learners rather, reading immersively, also for students with accommodations if you need help. And last but not least, other actions that involve a disco library, which is pretty cool. If you want to spend more time on this, Disco Library is kind of like already made Flipgrids that you can post on your grids in case you don't want to record your own yourself. Okay, hopefully that helps everybody. Email me with any questions.